Hello friends, today we'll see about the alimentary canal and its important point that can be asked in various competitive, mostly medical exams. We'll start from top to bottom. As you can see, first is mouth, which is ectodermal in origin. Then next in science, mostly used bolus word, it is used for food particle which we are eating. Then next is pharynx. Pharynx, which is a common passage for food and air where no digestion occurs. This is also important, it can be asked. Then next we can see is glottis, which is the opening of the windpipe. Next is tongue, where hyoid bone is present, which is known as the floor of the mouth. Next is esophagus, which is also ectodermal in origin, and it shows peristalsis movement whenever we are eating food. What is peristalsis means? It's a wave-like contraction of the food. When we are eating, we are chewing from our mouth, it goes from esophagus to stomach. Then it shows peristalsis movement, it's wave-like structure. Then next side we can see from starting in our mouth, there is a salivary gland, 3 pairs of salivary gland, and salivary gland produces saliva which shows the pH 6.7, and daily secretion of saliva in our mouth is 1.5 liter. Then salivary gland produces the enzyme that is known as salivary amylase. Next is palate. If they ask what is the roof, which is known as the roof of the mouth, is known as palate, and floor of the mouth is known as tongue. So here we can see 2 types of palate, anterior and posterior. Anterior is hard one and posterior is soft one, where vulva is a V-like structure which is present posterior in our mouth. As you can see, whenever you open your mouth, you can see a V-shaped organ that is known as vulva. As right side, liver is present, and left side our stomach is present. Here I have made some spring-like structure which is known as roughage and microvilla, you can know, later you can study, where the esophagus ends and stomach starts. There is a sphincter present known as gastroesophageal sphincter. Okay, it is the opening of the esophagus, we can say, into the stomach. As I said, it is a junction between esophagus and starting of the stomach. Then we can see only I try to cover main points which is asked in 1 mark, in mostly neat paper is there, no, in that. So stomach, which is present left side, which is endodermal in origin, and which is of J-shaped. There are 4 types of stomach, that is cardiac, fundus, body pylorus, and pylorus. Body corpus, sorry, and cardiac, which is known as the opening between esophagus and stomach, which is the upper portion of the stomach. Fundus is where the air and gases are present, and body corpus, which is the main part, which is middle part of the stomach, and pylorus is the opening between stomach and duodenum.